Go Tigers Kids channel.
Today's video is about computer. A computer is a digital electronic machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations, computation, automatically. At home, we can use the computer to write letters or messages, read amazing stories, draw and print pictures, send and receive emails, watch movies, play games, chat online, and talk using headset and microphone. At work, many people use computer to make their job easier. Here's an example. Bank teller uses computer to record transactions and count money. Architects use computer to draw and design buildings, houses, and bridges. Layout artist arranges pictures for magazines using computer. Pilots use computer to fly airplanes safely. And doctors also use it to assess condition of patients. Did you know that there are different types of computer? Here they are. A supercomputer, any of a class of extremely powerful computers. The term is commonly applied to the fastest high-performance systems available at any given time. A mainframe computer, informally called a mainframe or big iron, is a computer used primarily by large organizations for critical applications like bulk data processing for a task. A mainframe computer is large, but not as large as a supercomputer, and has more processing power than some other classes of computers. Mini-computers were used for scientific and engineering computations, business transaction processing, file handling, and database management. A computer that was smaller, less expensive, and less powerful than a mainframe or supercomputer. A desktop computer is a personal computer designed for regular use at a single location on or near a desk due to its size and power requirements. A laptop is a personal computer that can be easily moved and used in a variety of locations. Most laptops are designed to have all of the functionality of a desktop computer. A tablet computer, commonly shortened to tablet, is a mobile device, typically with a mobile operating system and touchscreen display processing circuitry, and a rechargeable battery in a single, thin, and flat package. A smartphone is a portable computer device that combines mobile telephone and computing functions into one unit. This device enables people to make phone calls, send text messages, and access the internet. A peripheral or peripheral device is an auxiliary device used to put information into and get information out of a computer. Here are some examples. A computer keyboard is a peripheral input device modeled after the typewriter keyboard, which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. Joystick, sometimes called a flight stick, is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. A digital camera is a camera that captures photographs in digital memory. Most cameras produced today are digital, largely replacing those that capture images on photographic film. An image scanner, often abbreviated to just scanner, is a device that optically scans images, printed text, handwriting, or an object and converts it to a digital image. A webcam is a video camera which is designed to record or stream to a computer or computer network. Microphones are used in computers for recording voice, speech recognition, VoIP, and for other purposes such as ultrasonic sensors or knock sensors. A barcode reader is an optical scanner that can read printed barcodes, decode the data contained in the barcode. A printer is a machine that uses ink to either print digital documents, or in some cases photocopy physical documents. Computer speakers, or multimedia speakers, are speakers sold for use with computers, although usually capable of other audio uses, example, for an MP3 player. An external hard disk is just a hard disk drive, HDD, or solid-state drive, SSD, that needs to be connected to the computer rather than being inside the computer. Memory card is a small, flat flash drive used especially in computer, digital cameras, and mobile phones. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. A USB flash drive, also called a thumb drive, is a data storage device that includes flash memory with an integrated USB interface. It is typically removable, rewritable, and much smaller than an optical disc. Thank you for watching, Little Tigers. Subscribe and see you next time.